Hello and welcome to our review of the POCO F5. This smartphone has been making waves in the tech world, and we are excited to dive into all the features and specs to see what it's all about. First, let's talk about the design of the POCO F5. It's a sleek and stylish phone with a 6.67-inch FHD Plus display that stretches from edge to edge. The screen has a high resolution of 2400 x 1080, making it perfect for streaming movies, TV shows, and more. The phone also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means that everything on the screen will appear super smooth and fluid. Under the hood, the POCO F5 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, which is one of the most powerful chips in its class. This ensures that the phone can handle just about anything you throw at it, from intense gaming sessions to multitasking with multiple apps. The phone also comes with 12 GB of RAM, which means you won't have to worry about lag or slowdowns. One of the standout features of the POCO F5 is its camera system. It has a quad camera setup on the back, including a main camera with a 200MP resolution, an ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view, a macro camera, and a depth sensor. The phone also has a selfie camera with a 20MP resolution, which is perfect for taking high-quality selfies and video calls. The camera system is capable of capturing stunning photos and videos with a variety of advanced features like night mode, pro mode, and HDR. The POCO F5 also has a number of other impressive features, such as a large 7000 mAh battery that provides all-day battery life. The phone also has fast charging capabilities, so you can get a quick boost of power when you need it. The phone is also 5G compatible, which means you will be able to take advantage of the fastest mobile speeds available. Thanks for watching our review of the POCO F5. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech news.